In this tutorial, we'll guide you how to name your organization in GTA Online. Now, open the interaction menu, which you can just check your key bindings on settings. Then just select key bindings and then check the interaction menu, which is just indicated by the primary letter M, depending on what device you're using. For PC, it's default by M. Now click M on your keyboard. It will open this interaction menu. Select the SecuroServ, select management, select name. Now just need to delete this organization, which is the default letter. Then after deleting it, you just put your name. Now if it's not working, you're trying to deleting, then you can try to delete the inside letter instead of deleting the last name, and then by going up to the first name. So you can just input the cursor into the inside letters of an organization, just like this, and then start deleting all the letters. Then delete the letter N, then input your name or any organization name that you'd like. Then click OK, and here's how you can name your organization in GTA Online.
You'll find the office as requested.